Good morning everybody, it's Hugh. We are here live and direct from a stunning July day in sunny Bembridge. We're over here looking at the mighty Cockwells tender, Grace here. So please bear with us. I'm just going to spin round and then we'll have a look on board this very, very, very special boat. Good afternoon everyone, welcome to a very sunny Bembridge on the Isle of Wight. Today we are going to be looking at a true jewel. This is Grace. She is a one-off Cockwells built 9.5 m tender. As you can see, she's a real low-slung sports car of a boat. Incredibly beautiful. Two very similar boats were built. One was an owner's tender for his Perini 73 m called Grace E, and this is Grace. She's a big open twin diesel tender with this beautiful lozenge shaped cockpit. Her construction is varnished mahogany on top of her deck, and her epoxy foam sandwich core construction is prevalent to both her hull and her superstructure. She's painted in flag blue all grip. She's got some beautiful touches here. So we've got a bow towing eye. We've then got a really neat anchor system that deploys straight from the stem. Bow docking lights. Large wraparound three-piece screen, and you've got a forward driving console over to the starboard side, really full of super yacht touches, and just look at the quality of this beautiful mahogany veneered varnished aft lid. So stepping onto her, we've got a teak bathing platform with a socket in here for a custom bathing ladder. There are two tender cleats, pop-up cleats around the rest of the boat. She's equipped with hot and cold aft transom shower. Just pulls out from here. And then you've got the engine access underneath this hatched moulding on the aft end. We'll walk through the central gangway and we're into the main cockpit. So we've got two J-shaped seats in tan Silvertex material. Deck fillers over to starboard. There's a really nice canopy tonneau style that keeps the dust off this. Side docking steps, port and starboard. And then there's a wet bar with a galley, with a Waco fridge, a sink, plenty of storage here, more deep storage underneath the locker lid. And then we've got a stainless steel sink underneath here with a neat cover, so you can keep your drinks cool and make sure that your guests are fed and watered. This also houses the switching panel for the boat, so we've got starboard and port batteries, maintained supply, battery linkage running through an Empire Bus Connect system. And this is what this boat's really about. This beautiful area, completely open back here. Incredible finesse in the finish of these mahogany tables. They fold apart or drop down together. Beautifully fiddled, and they're what Cockwells do really well. So the boat was built down in Mylor Bridge. She was built in 2013. She is category C rated for 14 people on board. You've got a high capacity bilge pump back here and at the forward end of the cockpit just to keep that clear, and she's just beautifully, beautifully built. So we've got a fusion sound system, lots of lighting for courtesy all around. Up forward there's something that we'll have a look at in a moment. But as you can see, the helm position here, just tucked beneath this protective shield. Really super simple, and there's a nice round seat on the port side for guests to come and share the forward area with the driver. So that's the head for the Fusion stereo system. You can see the loudspeakers around the cockpit. She's got a pair of Ultraflex Teleflex controls, Garmin plotter. She's engined with a pair of Yanmar 6 LVs. They've also got a bow thruster up in the bows. Beautiful, highly polished Ultraflex controls and highly polished trims for either engine. Garmin VHF. And you've actually also got a dead man's handle on board with a kill cord. Fire extinguishers underneath, and the whole lot is wrapped in this beautiful carbon effect dash. So right up in the bows, being a tender, she's beautifully finished but has got some quite useful storage as well. So this all folds up, and right up in the bows, centrally located, is an electric heads compartment behind these beautifully varnished louvered doors. Got a teak floor in here, storage on the port side, and storage on the starboard side also. So Corian worktops, highly varnished mahogany catches and latches. Fender storage around here. She's also got some carbon staffs for just assisting with docking. And that's the bathing platform ladder that just slots into a socket aft. So a really useful heads compartment up there. And we'll have a walk back through the cockpit and go and have a look at what's happening at the back end of her. So the engines that we'll have a look at in a moment, driving a pair of Yanmar 4 LVs. They're 250 horsepower apiece, 4-cylinder diesels, turbocharged, intercooled, 2.755 litre displacement. They'll push her along at a cruising speed of around about 28 knots. She'll top out at the high 30s. So a couple of catches just allow this gas strap to push up, and there you've got the drive space, central extinguisher, forward fuel filters, and it's beautifully built as you'd expect from Cockwells. So very, very good insulation, a huge amount of attention paid to that. There's the turbo port, bilge. That's the stay and the extinguisher. Beautifully finished, really high quality. And these engines have run around about 170 hours, so very, very lightly used. Will last service towards the end of 2023. And fuel consumption you can expect from her is around about 70 litres per hour combined at a cruising speed of around about 28 knots. So she's a really compact, utterly bewitching and utterly beautiful thing. She's called Grace. She's a 9.5 metre tender. She was built by Cockwells in 2013. She's available through Berthon now. Many thanks for watching. I want to do a quick pan round of Bembridge.
Go for it.
No, I'll start over here. Here we go. What's that? Oh, I don't want a boat called Happy Hooker. It is called Happy Hooker.
Is it neutral?
A bit loose. I want it right up. That's how we normally do it. I've just forgotten that bit.